everyone, my name is Kaihan. I am 8 years old. I learn robotics at JRT Robotics Learning Center in Sri Petaling. Today I want to show you my level 1 robot project. This is my vehicle robot. It's the Bulldozer 062. I designed and built my robot using the Robotics Dream 2 level 1 kit. This robot has a gear motor, a switch, a rechargeable battery box, and many parts. I decorate my robot to look like a real bulldozer with the flames covering the battery. It has yellow, black, and white parts. My robot has 2 wheels and a big blade at the front. The top is the sitting place for the driver. I made a door with joints that can be opened, and this is the switch at the back. The gear motor and battery are installed inside body of the vehicle. My bulldozer robot can push things around. It moves on 2 wheels. I can change the robot direction to move forward and backward. With the switch, the blades can move to scoop the object and push them forward. Let me show you how it works. I have loved Bulldozer since I was young, so I designed and built this robot based on my drawing. This robot working properly and I want to play with it. Maybe I can make a bigger one in the future. Thank you.